how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a pumpkin lollipop for Halloween. It's going to be very simple, easy, completely for beginners. So if you love Halloween, you love Halloween drawings, we're going to go through this step by step together. Let's get started. It's really short, by the way. Stick to the very end as well. Very, very short. So you get the whole picture. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to pull a curve over here for the left side of the pumpkin. Go over here on this side, kind of mirroring that on the right. Over here, down. Over here, down. Right on. Cool. Easy peasy, right? All right, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna go underneath. Curve like so. Go right here, curve underneath, and I'm gonna actually put the stem in, but this is a lollipop shape, so it doesn't have to be too wild. So I'm gonna curve mine and kind of do anything you want to yours. You can make it a stick, anything you like, and obviously at this point I got to give it a little bit of thickness. Curve like so. Line over here, line here, line there. Get a little bit of a textured feel, right? Gonna go here at the bottom. Gonna give it maybe a like it's like sitting in, like, you know, the leaves that it kind of floats around in. Sometimes some of the pumpkins do that. That's kind of the effect essentially that I want. And now I'm going to pull the stick down. So you have a couple of choices. Well, not really. I'm going to give it a little bit of thickness. So you can do that. Curve right here. You can either do two things. One, you can fill that in completely black. It's going to look totally like a stick, or it looks like a lollipop stick, right? Which is kind of what we're going for. You can do that. So either one. I'm going to go over here on this side and I'm going to pull a simplistic line up, down, in for a very, very, very simple jack-o'-lantern face. I'm going to go over here, out, down, in, filling that part in, filling that part in as well. All right. I'm going to pull a curve up like that, upside down heart for the nose, and then I'm going to continue to fill that in right there. Cool. And we're going to create the typical mouth, which is literally just kind of like a zigzag shape like that. So make that zigzag shape, and what we're going to do is we're going to give it a little bit of dimension. A little bit of dimension here, a little bit of thickness. You're kind of thickening it out. I do recommend you do this with marker, but you can do this with anything, so don't, worry too much about it, about what you're using. Right on. Cool. So we have that the way it is. So I'm going to go in with marker, and I'm going to fill out that orange shape with marker, okay? Go right here. Curve all over here. Here's the thing, I have to be very, very careful not to touch the black part, because since this is a demonstration, the ink is probably still, usually you should just chill out for a little bit and let the ink dry. I cannot do that because it's a demonstration. Don't forget, if you like learning how to draw Halloween stuff, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. I'll be posting all Halloween season, okay? All Halloween season, I'm going to be posting different videos on different types of pumpkins, candy, jack-o'-lantern, jack-o'-lantern, same thing, sorry, ghosts, monsters, Jason Voorhees, anything Halloween related, it's going to be on the channel. Just go through the playlist. There are several different versions of a pumpkin, because there are many different ways to carve and shape a pumpkin. So and a lot of people want different versions, and that's what I did. So the channel already has a lot of videos for you to choose, a big video library, so go take a look at that. But I want you to know that I'm going to be doing more and more. So hit the subscribe right now, if that sounds like a good idea, and click the bell notification, okay? That's really important, because that's without the bell notification, it's not really going to notify you. So and the cool part is you're subscribing for every Halloween after that. So once Halloween's done, it'll roll right into the new season, and like, let's just say the following year, you're going to start seeing Halloween tutorials on your feed randomly. You'll just be like, oh, okay. It'll be cool. It'll be like this cool bonus. So there's no downside at all. I'm going to go in here. This one's with a Copic marker with a green. So there's really no downside, and that's kind of what the cool part about all this is. You just kind of like get, free videos essentially on your feed about Halloween during Halloween. Sweet. All right, filling that in. Same thing with the leaves on the ground. Again, you can if you want, with the candy with the stem, you can do that. But if you want to keep it white, like I'm going to keep it just white, I'm going to draw a little bit of a line here with a light blue or a purple. Right there. Right here. And it's going to look like there's like reflected light. Kinda. It's very faint. I'm sure you probably might not even be able to see it, but it's very faint. So that is kind of most of that. Or you can put a little bit more on it. The one last thing I usually do, and I wasn't going to do it here, but I think I might, is to draw a thicker line around the outside. Just one thick black line to make it look a little bit more like a sticker. By the way, don't forget to check out the store with some stickers. I'm gonna put a link to that somewhere. Haven't developed stickers quite yet, but go soon. It will occur. Down here, line down here, curve underneath. Right, we're just kind of thickening out just the outside lines. And there you go. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Reach out to me. Say hi to me if you can hear, my voice right now, okay? Because that means you watch the whole thing. Talk to you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very first link that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.